To use the call transfer, you can use 3 ways to transfer calls to another party: blind transfer, semi-attended transfer, and attended transfer. To use the blind transfer, you can transfer the call to another party directly. While talking, press the transfer key or transfer soft key. Input the target number that you want to transfer the call to. Press transfer or the transfer soft key to complete the transfer, and the call will be connected to the number that you input. To use the semi-attended transfer, you can transfer a call when the target phone is ringing. While talking, press the transfer key or transfer soft key. Then, enter the target number that you want to transfer the call to. Press the OK key. After hearing the ringback tone, you can hang up to complete the transfer. In using the attended transfer, you can transfer a call with prior consulting. As before, during a phone conversation, press transfer. Again, input the number that you want to transfer the call to. Press OK to dial out. After the other user answers the call, press the transfer soft key to complete the transfer.